JD Tools here. Today we're going to be talking about the Brad nailer that RYOBI makes with the Airstrike technology on the OnePlus battery operated platform, also known as the P320. Now this bad puppy will drive 18 gauge nails from 5/8 to 2 inch. Home Depot's website prefers Porter cable nails, and I prefer Porter cable nails as well. They seem to work well with this unit. Comes with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. Comes with a belt clip, sample nails, and a manual. Now this will fire up to 1,000 nails per 4 amp hour battery. And that's this battery right here, the small battery. It'll fire up to 1,000 nails. So if you're debating on whether to get the thicker battery and you just want to go all out, you can. But just to let you know, this small battery does pack a lot of power, and it packs a lot of juice for a lot of the different types of tools, for that matter. But for this, it works really well. As far as weight distribution, I like the small battery as well. Comes with a selectable drive shaft with sequential or contact actuation. And that's the switch right here, where you can fire multiple nails at the same time, or not at the same time, but you can hold the trigger and it'll shoot them. It'll shoot up to 60 nails per minute, or you can put it on the single mode where you just pull the trigger. Every time you pull the trigger, it'll shoot a nail. Has an easy depth adjustment knob, which is right here. You also have an adjustment dial in the rear to regulate air pressure. That's right here. So this does build up air pressure itself every time it shoots a nail in, and you can adjust the air pressure with that setting right there. Comes with a dry fire lockout feature. So if you just pull the trigger right here, it's not going to do anything. Now when you push this in, this is the safety mechanism. Right when you push it in, you'll see the lights turn on, which is also another feature, and I'll show you all that here in a minute as well. And I found out that to be really handy for if you're kind of in a dark area, or even if you're in a light area where there's a lot of light. Having the extra light is just super beneficial, especially on both sides. The belt hook comes in handy, but I have found that you might want to keep your belt on tight. It can't be too loose. You can't be wearing too loose of pants, because this will pull your pants down. So you want to make sure that that you got a good tight belt on there, and you got tight clothes, because carrying this around all day, every day on your belt loop is not ideal, but it is handy. Just to let you know ahead of time. Comes with non-miring pads. So what I've noticed is, for one, like I bought an extra, or I got an extra off of another unit or something like that. So what I'll do is, when I need it, I'll put it on here and I'll use it, because I've found out that just by knocking things around and just working and bumping into stuff and all kinds of things, I found out this tends to want to pop off, at least for me. So I like to keep it right here, and that way it's safe and sound. Otherwise, you can glue it on there and figure out a way to glue it on there. But I will say that I have found this to pop off pretty frequently for me. So I like to just take it off, put it right there, and make sure that I'm okay. And what that does is that protects your trim boards and everything, or your wood, or whatever you're going to be doing, from creating marks. Now I'm going to go ahead and get it right into it, as far as show you all some of the features here. To be able to change the nails, it's real easy. You just pull that lever right here and pull that down, and there's your nails. They just slide in. Stick them in like so. Everything is nice and easy. It's thick plastic. It's not no thin plastic. You got a rubber grip here to where you can just kind of set it down. So far, I've been very happy with this, and I've used it pretty often. I use my the other nailer a lot as well, and I will do another video on that, so stay tuned on that. Also, what I noticed too is there's a button right here for the light So if you want to see something, you can push the button. And also, whenever you push this in, the safety mechanism, the light also works well. As you can see, there's plenty of light right around here. Overall, extremely happy with this Brad nailer. We'll put a link in the description box below. I do highly recommend this as far as carrying around all the time on your belt loop. Like I said, I wouldn't carry around all day with you. Just whenever you need it, you set it down, you use it. But you really don't carry around a Brad nailer with you anyways when it's operating off of an air compressor. So it's just a handy feature to have. So overall, extremely happy with it. I can't say enough good things about this particular product that RYOBI makes. I will put a link in the description box for the tool and the battery and the charger. If you want to buy the whole kit, that's fine. If you just want to buy the tool, that's fine too. So just to let you know, open the description box and I'll put the tool down there, and you click a link and it'll take you straight to Amazon, and then you can purchase it and makes it nice and easy for you. Thank you for watching. JD Tools again here.